My inquisition is this: if good without evil doesn't exist, I can't blame you for the horror you did. You should burn at the stake for what you did to the kids. I could let you breathe if you had my enemies. Reconsider the faith that they'll deliver. The yin, the yang, the angels sang with Satan hang. Spiritual pillaging, I'm the brick to your rope. You're a witness to float. If you drown, you are innocent, the end of your rope. Let me lead you. You do my voodoo, I'll free you. You're a heathen, you'll be sleeping with the demons.
You'll be okay, you can trust what I say.
I'll make you burn until I'm ashes.
Don't worry, I will save you from these bastards.
Bury you in a lake in an open casket. You wanna be saved, do as I say. Trust me, your case will be closed. You could be the slave to all my evils, or you can say no. I'll have it burn you, releasing your soul.
Newiedziani, nezmieniani, powiedział, this is a bitch. Newiedziani, nezmieniani, powiedział, this is a bitch.
Obvinená z toho, že ty obcuješ ty s peklom. Obvinená z toho, že ty obcuješ ty s čertom. Na základe dôkazov a nepričetný pohľad prinášajú procesu nezvratný dôraz. Treba ju mučiť, treba ju zničiť. Diabolské semeno v základe pobyť nemôže prežiť, prestala veriť. Konečný verdikt
na kríži spáliť,
dušu tak spasiť, diabla zatratiť.
To je, upáliť ju treba.
Námete lietala divným jazykom, splietala ľudí, liečila, pre zlo slúžila, ona súdená sama súdila.
Odsudzujem ťa v mene Boha.